Hi, welcome to Carnivore's Corner channel, where today we're going to be cooking up some bacon-wrapped, cheese-wrapped hot dogs. Now, this recipe is super simple to do, and you know it's going to come out great. First thing, you're going to need your hot dogs and your bacon. Today we're going to be cooking these on the Traeger, so we're going to fire that up, get it set to 400 degrees. And don't worry if you don't have a smoker or a grill, you could do these right in the oven. You know the oven's still going to produce a great product. So here we're pulling the hot dogs out of the package. We're getting ready to wrap them. Today I'm using all beef ballpark dogs and some thin cut bacon. You want to use the thin cut when you're wrapping these hot dogs with bacon. So the hot dog's already cooked, so we're just trying to get that bacon nice and crispy the way you like it. And we're going to wrap them in cheese and throw some toppings on them. We're just going to start at one end of the dog and wrap it around, slightly overwrapping. On this one, there's a little extra, so I'm just going to take my knife and cut that piece off. It's pretty simple to do. I'm just going to show you one more time. Let's get out to the Traeger, get these things on. We're sitting good at 400 degrees right now. I'm just going to throw this right on the grate. Now you see, one thing I forgot to do inside was put the barbecue rub on them. So I'm going to go grab that and come back and hit them with a little bit of the rub. So we're about 20 minutes into the cook right now, and they're starting to look good. Then we have about 10, 15 more minutes. About 10 minutes went by. And I think they're ready. Now here's where it gets good. So we got a nice heavy pinch of some shredded cheese down. Got the roll toasting. And we're just going to wait till it's ready. Then we're going to wrap the hot dog in the cheese. Place it down like that. Take your spatula. Just pull that cheese right up over the dog. Look how good that looks. Take your bun, scoop it up, check that out. Show you one more time. Just wait till that cheese starts bubbling a little bit and you're ready to go. That cheese will just roll right up over top. And there you have it. So I topped one of these with chili. Made myself a chili cheese dog. The other one, I got some pickled jalapenos and pickled red onions.